All right, good afternoon, boys and girls. I'm going to walk you through the idea or the strategy that we're going to use called compensation today, lesson 4.2. And really, what it is we're going to take ones from one of the add-ins. And remember, in an addition problem, the two numbers that we're adding are called the add-ins, and the answer is called the sum. And what we're going to do is we're going to move some of the ones from one add-in to the number to make it the next tens number. And remember, a tens number, it's just those numbers that you say when you count by 10, such as 10, 20, 30, etc. Okay, so that's what you have to remember. And we can move these ones around and make it just makes the problem a little bit easier to do, especially if you're using mental math. So when we look at the problem 38 plus 25, all I'm really going to do is I'm just going to move some ones from the 25 over here to get to the next tens, which would be 40. So if I just move these two ones over here, just kind of sneak them over like that, now I've got 40 here and 23 here. So let me rewrite this problem as 40 plus 23 equals blank. And again, it doesn't change the answer. It's going to change how easy it is to figure it out, because now I can do 40 plus 20 in my head is 60, and then 3 more is 63. So it makes it a lot easier, especially if I'm using a mental strategy. So this is just one strategy. Let's look at one more before I have you practice some problems in your slides. Let's do 26 plus 25. And again, it's that idea that I want to get one of the numbers to be the next tens number. Okay. I like to pick the number that I have to move the least amount of ones to. So I'm going to move the numbers from this side over to here. So for 26, I'm going to have to move 4 more of these over here to fill in that idea of the tens. And if you notice the way I organize my ones, it's in rows of 5. So it makes it super easy to count. And I know that I've got 10 ones over here now. So 10, 20, 30. So now I've got 30 plus 10, 21 plus 21. 30 plus 21 is a lot easier to do in my head than 26 plus 25. So this would be 51. So that's just one strategy, is to use the ones to kind of get one of the numbers to be a multiple of 10, or a number that you would say when you count by tens, to make the math a little bit easier in your head. All right, good luck in your math today. And I know it's tedious, but take the time to move those base 10 blocks in those slides, in those the math slides. Move the base 10 blocks around. I think you'll find that it's very helpful. And the three of us teachers are going to go through those slides and look and make sure you did your work. Okay. Good luck on your math today.